Good morning, everyone. My name is Ritvik Belsare, and we are team SwapCycle.
Good morning, everyone. I am Sahil Thiamani, and we are Team SwapCycle. We both are from uh, College of Engineering, Pune, and we are first year urban planning students. So, the problem which we are trying to solve is that 9,200 tons of plastic is generated per day in India, out of which 60% ends up in landfill and causing life-threatening diseases. FMCG packaging is the major contributor to this waste. To make this process sustainable, one has to make it reversible. So we propose to provide a reusable packaging and a reuse ecosystem to FMCGs. The customer will buy the product in a new reusable packaging and will pay a small deposit extra for it. After using the product, the customer will return the packaging and will get the deposit back. We will collect the empty containers from the retail collector and will ship it to the cleaning facility. Once they are ready to reuse, we will ship the containers back to the FMCG company. So let's see the economical feasibility of this model. An MRP of a water bottle is 20 rupees and the premium quality water bottle costs around 10 rupees. So now one has to pay 20 rupees plus 10 rupees refundable deposit. The MRP 20 rupees includes the cost of previous bottle, which is 2 rupees 85 paise, and the FMCG's EPR expenditure, which is the cost which they pay for extended producer responsibilities. These two are the revenue sources for us: the EPR and the cost of previous packaging. For pilot testing, we are focusing on bulk orders, which can be from wedding, corporate events, and hospitality industry. Let's say Pratik wants 100 bottles, so he has to pay 2,000 rupees plus 1,000 rupees deposit, which will be 3,000 rupees. We will provide the bottles in a carrot. The guest will place the empty bottle back in the carrot after use. We will collect the bottle and return the deposit, which will be 1,000 rupees.
So till now, we have studied about the fundamental idea. Now we will see the overall research to actually implement the idea. Talking about the market, global packaging industry is more than 850 US billion dollar. Out of it, India has the share of 72 US billion dollar, which has grown at a compounded annual growth rate of 18% for last 4 years and is expected to continue in the same way. This shows that India has a lot of space to develop in this industry. Next. Existing player in circular economy. Circular economy is to make a process sustainable by making it reversible. Leading brands like Philips and H&M are actively practicing circular economy with different models. So on the other hand, Loop is a company established in 2019, currently operating in US, UK, Canada, and different other countries, is successfully providing the same ecosystem as we proposed, but with a different revenue model. Loop's partner include Tata Consumer, Procter and Gamble, Nestle, Unilever, and many other brands. The next is value proposition. Now the value proposition will be, it will definitely increase the brand value of the company. Company will get an opportunity to experiment in new technologies and provide convenience of use to the customers. Next is impact expected. It will eventually reduce the plastic pollution and will solve the problem of segregation, and it will also provide a blue collar employment opportunity. Major impact will be less plastic will end up in the land. So the challenges ahead. So there are four major challenges in implementing this idea, and they are: first, making people return the empty container. Second is developing the reverse supply chain for collecting the empty packaging. Third is convince people to pay more money initially. And the last is managing the operational cost. Next is timeline. So now this is the timeline that we have set for the next 1 year for actually implementing our idea in the market. The timeline will consist of a lot of research work, feedback from customers and packaging suppliers, incorporating the company, and then the cost estimation, and finally the pilot testing. So this was about our idea. Thank you.